Thini wa nyumba ya Anniversary Towers ni mihango karundo ihenyaini ria kuhanyukania na mathaa mehaririria-ini ma githurano kinene. Muthenya wa Jumatatu, ciama cia Jubilee na ODM niguo ikuneanaga irore cia andu aria maranyita mbaru mito ya huraniri giturwa kia president kuma kaunti-ini itanyihire 24 hari o kiama.
We've just come from the offices at IEBC, having submitted our names from the presidential nomination from the 24 counties. In fact, we've gone a step ahead and added onto the counties and also gone through verification of those same names to ensure that these are the names of the people in those 24 counties who are supporting the candidature of the presidential candidate.
For every county, we have given more than 2,000. Though the signatures are 2,000 for every county, but we have given more than 2,000. And for all the counties, the minimum was 24 counties, but we have given 27 counties. We have submitted 27 counties.
Kuringana na watho, mundu akienda kuhuranira giturwa gia president no nginya akorwo na andu 2,000 kuma kuri kaunti makiria ma 24 aria maramunyita mbaru na makahura kirore na makaneana namba ciao cia gibande. Andu acio matiagirire gukorwo makinyita mbaru muhuraniri ungi wa giturwa gia president. Kiama kia ODM gikineanaga irore ciakio ni gikindirite ati gutiri wagagu thiriti-ini ya murirukia wa tigiti wa ngwataniro ya NASA bitika-ini ya president na Murunawe. Kiama kiongereire ati ciama cia Wiper na ODM cie metha-ini ikigathika uiguithanio uria kuhuthirwo kurehe hamwe ciama cieri hatari mundu wothe gutiganiria kiama giake.
That is going to be sorted out. As I have told you, we have a running mate and it is Kalonzo Musyoka. The right honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, he is the running mate.
Akiwa katika NASA ama katika chama cha ODM?
Sasa hayo yote tutawaeleza kidogo tu, tutawaelezea karibuni, lakini running mate yuko atakuwako na itakuwa imeekwa vizuri pale.
Ciama ici ciari ikoretwo ikionekana ta irehithanira tondu gukinyiria kahinda-ini gaka Raila Odinga neanite ritwa riake rungu rwa kiama kia ODM na ndaheanite ritwa ria Murunawe. Kalonzo Musyoka nake aneanite ritwa riake ta muhuraniri wa giturwa kia president na tigiti wa kiama kia Wiper, no nake ndaheanite ritwa ria Murunawe ona gutuika nganja ici ciothe kuringana na kiama kia ODM cierekeire guthira. Muthenya wa Jumaine, Komishoni ya ithurano inagia thina ahuraniri ituruothe kumatariria mawatho na mitaratara ya githurano na haria mihango ya mehaririria ma githurano kiu ikinyite. Thutha ucio ateti mena nginyagia tariki 2 mweri turorete gucokia maratathi ma iturwa iria marahuranira. Raila Odinga agacokia maratathi make muthenya wa Kiumia, nake President Uhuru Kenyatta acokie make muthenya wa Jumatatu twerekeire. Magavana, maseneta na ma MCA magacokia maratathi mao tariki 1 na tariki 2 mweri turorete ofici-ini cia IEBC kaunti-ini iria o mundu imite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.